What's up, boys? It's your boy Buster back with another roasting video, episode 2. So this is just gonna be improv. I'm gonna find something to roast. What should I roast? What should I roast? What should I roast? Oh, I should roast Amazing with a Gumball. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, let's just start over this one. Hold on, DJ Gumball. Hold on. Not on the wicker. I can already tell that we about to be on the acid trip. What kind of drugs are y'all on to be dancing in the universe and Saturn and whatever planet back there is smiling? Plus, whoever Judy's is a horrible drawer. Why am I in a locker? Why is this fat man, an ugly cat, and an ugly... Wait, why is the fish dancing? What is that little gumball? What is that little guy in the background? Looks like an inventor with a suit. And what is that cloud doing there? Why you get your foot off the cloud? Wait. Why is that T-Rex? I know. I promise you, this has to be in the prehistoric times, before the asteroid. Because if this is after, what do I say? What do I do? It's that. Wait, is that the blue Android logo? Oh no! Why is it two clouds? What is that? What is that thingy? Wait. Let me circle this. What is that? What is that? And that is ugly. That is wow. Get roasted.